Is it okay if your joints crack all the time? Let's talk about it. That cracking sound you hear, called crepitus, usually happens when gas bubbles inside your joint burst as you move. It's completely normal, and for most people, it doesn't mean anything is wrong. If there's no pain, swelling, or stiffness, it's just your body releasing pressure. But if the cracking comes with pain, tension, or grinding, it could mean cartilage wear, inflammation, or even early osteoarthritis. So yes, it's okay sometimes, but not always. If your joints pop and hurt every day, that's your body asking for attention.